welcome back to my channel. I know what you've been thinking about, and I just feel so awkward. Okay, I feel so awkward doing this video today. I just feel like I don't even know how to do this anymore. But anyway, guys, welcome back to my space. Welcome back to my channel, where I teach, I live, and I share. Okay, and you're very much welcome. If you're meeting me for the first time, my name is Chimma, and I'm a YouTuber living in South Africa. This morning I'm going to see the doctor. I have consultations with the doctor. I'm going for my eyes, and I'm also going for my teeth. Okay, I've been having issues with my eyes, maybe because of the kind of job I do. If you know me, you know I am a nail technician. In case you want to do your nails, okay, check me out on Instagram. It's Francherry Nails and Beauty Studio. So I'm a nail technician and a makeup artist. So most times when I file and buff people's nails, I don't put on glasses or anything to protect my eyes. So it's as if I'm having a lot of irritations now with my eyes. So I need to go check what is going on with my eyes. So right about now I am going to Hartfield. The hospital where I'll be seeing the doctor is in Hartfield, so that's where I'm going to now. Let's go, guys. Ooh, long day. So we're just leaving the optometrician's office, okay, where I went to check my eyes. Like, it's so vigorous, if I would say so myself. Like, the process not be small. But anyway, there's nothing wrong with my eyes. It's just that because of the kind of job I do, you know, I work with details, you know. So she explained a lot of things to me and recommended glasses for me. Okay, glasses that I can use to read on my phone and as well do my job. You know, they recommended two glasses because they were on promotion. One is going to be the sunglasses, and the other one is going to be for, you know, walking. And I'm just so happy I went. There's nothing wrong with my eyes. My eyes are perfect according to the doctor. So right about now I'm going to the dentist. Okay, the dentist, we're going to Mainland right now. Mainland, right? Yeah, so we're going to Mainland right now. We went for the eye checkup here in Hartfield. Now we're going to Mainland. So that's how my day is going.
kuchibharira ndofunga mukoti pakutongwa kwachona nenyaya yekuti vakatwa suspect kuti mwana nemhuri ndobva tafabva onekwa asina nhumba saka bvaonekwa takararwa naye handitiri kuona.
Hi guys, good morning. It's the next day, okay, and I'm done with my hair. I know I didn't show you guys the outcome of the hair. This is it. I know I look beautiful, okay? Compliment me down in the comment section. And the lady who made my hair, like I said, she's in Sunnyside. If you need her numbers, I'm going to leave it on the screen. She's very good, guys. She's from Zimbabwe. Like, she's good. I love her. I love the way she walks and everything. I just love it. You know, quite affordable, but not very affordable, but affordable. So right about now it's almost 7 o'clock in the morning, and I'm on my way to Limpopo from Pretoria. I'm going back to base. Guys. Like it's been a roller coaster. It's been hectic, but I thank God for everything. Everything I came to Pretoria to do, I did all of them. I also went to Joburg for something, and I achieved what I went for. Although I'm going to be coming back real soon, okay, because I didn't really finish what I came to do. So I'm going back to Limpopo. I don't know if I'm going to end this vlog here, but if I still have something more to show you guys, I'm going to add it to this vlog. But for now, we're going back to Limpopo. So we just stopped by McDonald's here in Groversdale, halfway home, Groversdale in Limpopo. So this is my cappuccino and some fries. It's already almost 8:30 in the morning and I'm hungry. I try to eat healthy, although it's not healthy, but at least there's egg, you know. It's very good, Chimma. It's okay. I hope you guys enjoyed this little vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. It's just me showing you what I did here in Pretoria, my life and all that, you know. As we live, we share. So if you enjoyed it, please give this video a thumbs up. Do not forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please subscribe, guys. Subscribe, and let's start this journey afresh. I'll see you all in my next one.